Hi, my name is Gary Machiros. I own Applied Automotive Technology.
We are an authorized Autel distributor with a focus on education. So every system we sell comes with all the equipment, software, and accessories you'll need, as well as lifetime training and technical support. The equipment can range from $20,000 to $72,000, depending on what kind of cars are you working on, what's the space, how many cars a month are you working on, who do you have in the building that can do the ADAS calibrations, do you want to be mobile? Do you now, or at some point in the future, want to be able to do wheel alignments? We will consider all of these factors in coming up with a custom package that fits your needs, goals, and budget.
When you buy an ADAS system, there's a package that I believe everyone should buy if they're a typical collision center. And that's going to be an all systems with a tablet, which is going to contain 90% of the targets that you're going to use every day. And that tablet's going to have software that's going to be integrated to work seamlessly with the frame to help you calibrate the car, with training and tech support. With the 1000, you're not going to need to buy any additional targets because it comes with what I would call a really complete package. If you buy a 600, 700, or 900, we need to have a conversation about additional targets you may need to purchase. We're going to customize a package for you, and we're going to give you all the information you need to determine what type of target you need to add to your system, and that's going to be based on what type of cars you work on. And many times, shops will buy around $2,000 to $5,000 worth of additional targets. The annual software renewal is either going to be $16.95 or $12.95. You need to buy the software no matter what. When you buy the software subscription from us, we renew your lifetime tech support and training. A calibrator can bill out easily $300 to $500 per hour.
So you could literally pay off the equipment in 3 months. Or if you financed it and you had a payment of $1,000 a month, you calibrate 1.3 cars a month and you made your payment, and the rest is just going towards the business. Why wouldn't you?